say, asawa na kita. No more papakasalan pa kita. Asawaan ka pa'y. Nunood ka sa ratabay.
Nagkakilala po kami during the University Sports Olympics po, way back May 2023. Ako po yung representative ng campus namin and he was one of the photographers. And yun po, nag-picture-picture siya and then I didn't know, crush pala niya ako, char. Joke lang. And then po nag-start actually.
Feeling ko ikaw nag-friend request sa akin. Pero, ayun, nag-friend request ka para ma-message ako regarding those photos. Mas buti na lang, ayun na nga, edi nagkaroon tayo ng conversation. Parang
wala po akong pakialam doon kasi I didn't know what post-process is all about. Pero doon pala yung nag-e-effort ka every picture, di ba? Ilang minutes din pong pinagtsatsaga na i-edit yon. And so, parang out of respect, parang sige, thank you so much po sir, hanggang sa kakilala na kami through chats na din po.
Sabi mo sa akin, please wag. Sabi mo gano'n, wag ka manliligaw. Pero syempre, yun nga, makulit ako.
I remember the first time I messaged you, I sent your photos on your during your pageant. Di mo na ma-view kasi your settings on your Facebook is like kapag hindi mo friend, hindi sila makakapag-message sa'yo. And buti na lang, hindi mo siya ma-view kaya nag-message ka sa akin. What I saw in you is your character. Dagdagan natin ng S kasi medyo marami yung characters mo. Paiba-iba.
Happy and excited. I felt peace.
People say you'll know you found the right man when you feel butterflies in your stomach. Diba? Yung tipong kinakabahan ka na kinikilig. But when Genesis came into my life, it wasn't butterflies that I felt. It was peace. A calmness that told me I was safe, that I was home, and that I didn't need to pretend to be loved.
Listening to the rain, smiling just to see.
I was about to resign in DIMSU before. Nakapagpaalam na ako sa dean ko noon. Pinapunta niya ako kay Chancellor. Sabi nila sa akin, "Ingka man nagbirok ti asawaom dito'y DIMSU ta nagadumot ti. Babae dito'y barang agbaliw ti taray ti panunot mo." Bigla ka nagpakita. So nung sinagot mo na ako, she told me, "Agawaam aggraduar ta agkasartan." So those words dun tumatak talaga sa akin. Dahil dun sa sinabi niya na yun, nag-graduarak ti masters ko and then I went permanent.
Looking in your eyes, seeing all I need. Everything you are is everything to me. And these are the moments I know heaven must exist.
Of course, every time that you tease me and tell me, "When kan tumot nga wan," I can finally say that this yes is the best yes that I have said.
And I could not ask for more. I could not ask for more than this time together. I could not ask for more than this time with you. And every prayer has been answered, and every dream I has come true.
Today, as you enter, you are receiving a precious gift from God. Treasure it. Never take it other for granted. Always give thanks to God for the privilege of having each other.
And in those years of waiting, God gave me dreams. Visions of the man He was preparing for me. His body was revealed piece by piece, but never the stomach and the head. Truly, God has a sense of humor. But then, out of the blue, Genesis came. Not just a name, but a beginning. The start of the love story God had been writing all along.
Salamat sa lahat. Your mere existence is what I'm grateful to God. Your life is a blessing to me. You may not know it, pero God gives me everyday strength through you, my inspiration.
More than this time with you. Every prayer has been answered. Every dream I have come true. Yeah, right here in this moment is right where I'm meant to be. Here with you, here with me. I could not ask for more than the love you give me. 'Cause it's all I've waited for.
Your gentleness and your pure heart. You pursued me like Christ pursues his beloved, always putting me first and always making sure I was cared for before yourself. And finally, on Feb 2, 2024, almost 4 months of dating, I said yes to being in a relationship with you.
Hindi po kayo mag-aalala because I believe po Genesis will take good care of me. And still pa rin po, I will still support our family kahit na bubukod na po ang pinakamaganda ninyong anak.
Something that moves you.
I commit myself to you. Gaya ng sabi ko dati, when I love, I commit. Minahal kita, minamahal kita, at mamahalin kita palagi at araw-araw.
Something true. Something that moves you. From the dawn to the dusk of my days. From the depths of
What started with a camera lens and a few messenger notes had blossomed into what we are celebrating now. Mahal ko, thank you for loving me fully and for accepting me exactly as I am. But more than that, thank you for embracing my family. You know how complex my family is. But thank you for accepting them as well with the same warmth and kindness you give to me.
Jesus, I love you, I do.
We will build a home not on the saying, a happy wife is a happy life, but on the truth that a happy spouse is a happy house. Because our joy will be shared, our love will be mutual, and our home will be filled with God's presence.
All it takes is a little faith, a little faith. All it takes is a little praise, a little praise. What a joy, what an honor that I can say. I lit up a smile on my Father's face. From the dawn to the dusk of my days. From the depths of my soul and with all of my strength. Here is my heart in just one phrase. Jesus, I love you, I love you.
May the Lord Jesus Christ be with you in your marriage. Genesis and Jessel.
Can't see it in